Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Dr. Ashley Mthunzi obekade eyi-CEO yalapha eThembisa Hospital obesuspendiwe ngama-pending allegations la agcina esilethele iZondo Commission. Lo ngapha i-former minister yase-South African Police Service uMr Nathi Mthethwa obeseyi-ambassador eFrance. Labafowethu bekukhulu bekumele bekukhulume kwi-commission lekhona. Isandla bebenaso kuyo yonke lento eyenzakalayo lapha sikhulu, yabo. Kuningi bekumele baphendule khona, maningi amagama bekumele avele ngokwabo. So ukufa kwabo akuyenzi sense. Omunye njengoDr. Ashley Mthunzi bathi ubulawe i-short illness. Aka-understandeki-ke nayo i-short illness ngesikhathi esinje ekhanda. Umuntu odingekayo naye ukuthi ezo-account ngezinto ebezenzeka kwisibhedlela esirano yena. Ngapha uMr Nathi Mthethwa kukhulu bekumele aphendule kukona. Yonke le mgilingana ayiqali izolo phela, kudala yaqala. Naye bavele bam-analyze because ayiyenzi sense indaba yamjida, ayiyenzi sense. Kodwa-ke angeke sizikhulume into etheni ngoba kusasa kuyothiwa sitheni.
Guys, as umngcwabo is going on, late Nkosi Nathi Mthethwa, you know ukuthi people are gonna be saying stuff, right? But upho bani emngcwabeni ubobheka icela, we can't see him. I saw umchunu a bit, but my thing is that at the end of the day, wayengekho msulwa naye uNathi. He's not perfect, guys. He's a human being. No one is perfect in this world at the end of the day. You know that whole thing yokuthi futhi no, actually akafile. You know, guys, there's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot going on. And that whole thing yokuthi akajumpanga ubulewe, yabo nje kuyasabisa at the end of the day, because I'm just like, no, he's not the type. Even the family said which is not the type that could actually unalive themselves. He's not that person. Someone was just saying ukuthi he is not perfect, and what's with the performance much? You're respecting wise country say izinto ezingango rights azenzile or ngikubona. Is this the life they lived? Perfect. Guys, it's not me. People are like lama corrupt politicians, ama thieves. Imagine. Mese kuzoba umngani wakhe ke uPIPI Malusi Gaba namasuda amancane.